Dana guys, diba? So beautiful. Ah, astig. Nag-fly na siya guys, so I'm gonna insert the clips over here. Kaon is live. Laag is live.
Just like me, it's a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Oh, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away.
Good morning guys! Ayan, late na kami gumising kasi sobrang lamig. And look, it's malapit na 9 o'clock. It's 8:36 ng umaga dito, March 4. Ayan, and diba sabi ko sa inyo mag-walking kami, pero para siyang umuulan guys, and sobrang lamig. Hindi ako nakadala ng pants for walking, only yung short lang kasi akala ko hindi sobrang lamig, and then parang umuulan. So ayan, walang kainit, and then kanina umuulan siya guys, konti lang, and hindi ko pa alam kung saan kami pupunta. And si Brett nandun sa labas. Yan, gusto siya mag-fly sa drone niya. Kasi wala na. Paggising namin, wala na kaming mga kapitbahay dito. Sobrang aga nilang umalis. Ayan, wala na. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Ayan guys, yan yung ginagawa niya guys. Ready daw niya yung baby niya.
See if we can get some satellite.
Oh. Kapa daw siya sa drone niya. Uy, your sim, oh. Ah, astig. Ayan. Nag-fly na siya guys, so I'm gonna insert the clips over here.
You call in my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby, I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, yeah. almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile? Why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile?
Dana guys, diba? So beautiful. Nasa kabukeran and we're going somewhere. So another drone shot. Hi guys, we having breakfast. What's our breakfast?
Oh, Jen's got some nice bread that you get from the Filipino shop.
Ayan siya. And bread coffee and me tea. Can you up my side table? So yan guys. So we have here
Stick it in the handle part there. Look.
nag-ready lang kami kasi we're going somewhere now. But before that, mag-snack muna kami or breakfast para hindi kami gutomin. Oh, cold. Next time, if we come back here, I need to bring some jacket and pants. I don't like cold. Even winter, guys. Even summer, I'm always bring jacket. Because I'm always feel cold. Air camera natin, lubat na. I don't know how to charge.
Why? Can you charge it?
No, I can't. I will have a look later.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How you smile makes my heart skip a beat.
Ala, ang red naman sa ating lips ay. Hi guys! Ayan, nag-ready na kami. Hi babe! Where are we going now, my love?
We're just going to go down from the dam for a run. Have a practice in the drone. So we can't crash into too much, I think.
Okay. So yeah, we're going there guys. Ito yung outfit natin. Ayan, bongs. Ayan. So we'll see you there guys. So we're going up. Ayan. Papunta doon. So how's your first night, my love?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I'm going to have to change the bed a bit. I'm too short, too long. It's alright for you, you're short.
I need to buy a new bed. So maybe he planned to buy another bed na comfy sa kanya kasi yan yung important guys. Kailangan yung bed, yung higaan nyo ang important para makatulog kayo ng maayos. Ayan. Walang signal dito. 2 days. 2 days na akong walang online. But it's good. It's very relaxing. No social media. Right, my love? But last night, nag-edit ako ng vlog, guys. I transfer some clips. Ayan, nag-edit ako. So, baka tomorrow, I have vlog. Ayan. So, at least, baka edit din ako. Lucky dinala ko yung laptop ko. Kasi marami akong mga vlogs, guys, na mga late na yung iba. Hindi pa na-edit. So, yeah, tonight we're going home tonight, guys, kasi on Friday I'm going to work early morning. Paris Brit as well, start morning. So, yeah, we decide na uwi na lang kami. Sometimes, pagka umaga na kami umuwi, early morning. Pero wala namang masyadong ganap dito. So, uwi na lang kami. Sana kaya tayo dinala ni Brit, guys. Uy. Mga damuhan na naman eh. Saan naman tayo dinala nito.
Just having a look.
Ah?
We're going to have a look at the credit and campground. We've never been there.
Ah, okay. Oink, oink. Sobrang layo na namin, guys. Ah, here lang.
Someone's house on the top.
Ah, it's a house. Ooh, the water looking good. So nice, guys. Finally, we are here now, guys. Sa Yangla Dam. Right na lang.
Yeah.
So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ouch. And fresh water, guys. Ayan. You can camping here, guys. Oh, may tubig. You can camping. Sobrang laki nito. Papunta doon. And doon pa sa likod. Nag-fishing si Brett, guys. And hindi namin alam kung papalipad namin yung drone kasi sobrang hangin. Kaya baka mamaya pag hindi na masyadong mahangin. And ngayon, nag-fishing si Brett. Tingnan nyo. And fishing siya, fishing. Ha? Is it a new one? Yeah.
I bought this one there.
Oh. Yan pala. Oh.
The third go at the drone in all high winds, so it's not doing too bad. Be nice to have a nice day. We'll go up higher. I think we can go 500 meters.
We go next time.
Next time.
We're looking something to eat.
That fridge definitely on there.
Kasi, yeah.
Can you check it?
Yeah, it's on. You was check that before we leave. So now we're going now guys. Ayan, update ko kayo mamaya. So, see you guys.
Pinnacle Pub having a pinnacle pie.
Yeah, he's having chips, guys. Me alone with bacon.
That's bacon.
Steak.
Steak, bacon, mushroom.
Yeah, steak, bacon, mushroom. So we have same order, guys. Let's eat. This is our lunch and
yummy.
brunch.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, we eat, guys. I'm so hungry. Ano, it's 1 o'clock na ngayon. Sobrang laki yung fry nila.
What's that saying on my hand?
Don't know.
Yeah, I haven't pulled in the same for a long time
Yeah,
now.
guys, oh.
Baby.
Yeah. Sarap. Yum. Kaon is life. Laag is life.